Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you doing in this beautiful day? My name is Amara Pramudita. You can call me Amara. I'm alumni from Santuition Islamic School. Now I'll study in Laraiba Hanifida Jombang, Indonesia. Today I want to teach you to make a bird origami. The object is only a square paper. No matter it's big or it's small, even it's square, you can do it. First, we fold it into a triangle. Like this. Then small triangle again. It has two sides, right? You can choose which of them to pull it and fold it into a square, small square. Like this, and we fold the other side to point in other side, like this. Got it? And you repeat the previous step into a square. Like this. And it has a center line, and this side you fold it to the center line. Both sides. You must fold both sides, and in top of this you fold down like this. And you open it, then pull it like this. Then fold it again, fold it carefully. Into a diamond shape. Like this. And repeat it in the other side. Fold left, forward. And fold down. And fold it into a diamond. Like this. And you fold this side into a small part, like this, in all sides, left and right, back and front. Like this. And we make its head and tail. Fold like this and fold this part in. Both of two sides. like this, and you make its head like this, fold it down and fold in, and then the wings, you make its wings like this, and now it's finished. Good luck for enjoy it. Apologize for my mistake and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.